What's going on, guys? Jay, that drain guy. We got an issue today. We got a kitchen line there. We got a kitchen line over there. Everything ties into this line here. Normally, we clear the neck clean out there and then the end clean out. But we got this car here today. So we're gonna be taking that coupling off right there and snake power washing it down. So this is the head they have on. It's all forward head, no reverse jets. So he's gonna force it all out that way and push it down the line.
Perfect. Gonna come back to this.
It's usually down this end where the problem is.
Something there. All right, no behind it. You got more than cast?
Huh?
Am I at the cast?
No, I don't think so.
No. Oh, they shut down.
Shut down! Shut it down!
If I can. Oh yeah, I can hear it nice and clean. It's hollow. Let me see if I can go further now. Oh yeah, I went farther. I hit something before. See? I broke it up, whatever was here. There. Before, at that spot, I couldn't get through.
What side that water coming from? Can you tell?
You want me to stop?
Or feel?
Hold on. Okay, I can bring my flashlight. I don't have nothing here. You have a light? I got my. It's coming from this side, eh?
That side?
Yeah. And it's spotless. Oh my God. It is spotless. Okay. Well,
Just keep it. Remember you got that. I'm gonna run upstairs. I want this guy to run his water. Then I'll get them both to run their water.
now?
Yeah, I just want to verify that they're, like you said, for sure it's coming that side?
Yeah, that water came from there.
Okay. I just want to verify.
Where's the water? Take the walkie. Give me a walkie. Turn on the water and I'll tell you.
I don't know, did Frank change the batteries in them?
I think so. I think so. Hey, and I'll tell you if it's the right or the left or my side, or I'm gonna call this my side, and that's the other side.
Yeah.
The truck full.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hello? Hello? Yeah. Hello? Oh, I got my Bluetooth. Obi!
Yeah.
My Bluetooth is on. Fuck. Hold on.
Can you hear me?
I got the fucking Bluetooth on. Okay, I put it on speaker. Go ahead.
Okay, so I'm running the water. It would be in the one, not the one you're on the other side. In and it's backing up here. You don't see any water coming down there?
Nothing. On my side, nothing. On the other side, nothing. Remember I had water on the other side before?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna keep the whole water running. Just be careful if it does open up, that it's gonna spray out.
Okay.
Because I want to see if it's just a buildup that's grease that needs to be melted down.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Is this the one you're at now? Should be on my side or the other one?
Should be the other side.
Oh yeah? There we had water over there before. I don't know what happened now. Okay. Okay, go
I'm
do.
wondering if this is just the P-trap.
Could be.
Because I don't think, like I got hot water running. I got hot water at the continuous waste.
Yeah.
But the P-trap is still cold. I'm thinking it's the P-trap that plugged up.
Yeah. That probably. Okay.
Can you do it? I'm coming down to grab my snake.
Okay, and I'll flush that line out.
Yeah, flush that line out and you should be good there.
Okay.
Because I think the issue's going to be up here.
Okay.
Alright?
All right. I'll see you. Bye.
Alright, bye. I'll be right back.
Yeah. Okay, do me a favor. I gotta come down and get my fucking gloves. I'm gonna fall. Scared me. Fucking landed. Okay. There's nothing wrong here. Every time this backs up, they always think it's the line. It's not the feature. Okay, let me get my, we're gonna flush this line. I'm gonna do it now. And then we're done. It's upstairs. Oh. These are pink cups. I'm gonna flush this. They give me the eye. Okay? Wait.
I'll wait. Whenever you come down there, I do it.
Okay, go hold me.
Oh.
Yeah. Hey, Jay.
Yeah.
You want me to leave this open?
You can if you want.
That way when you run the water, I know if it's coming here.
Yeah.
Hey, Louis, shut down. Gee, before I get plastered. Jay's gonna snake it. Jay's gonna snake it.
Yeah.
And that's it.
What are you guys doing? You drink? Whatever. We just all go out there.
Okay, Jay, stop. Yeah, you cleared it. There's shit coming up.
Yeah, I gotta put everything back together.
And run the water. I'll leave it open.
I'm gonna put up the water after, so just be careful.
Yeah, I want to make sure it's coming out though. I'll leave the coupling off.
What's that?
I'll leave the coupling off and then run the water. Make sure it's free.
Yeah.
All right.
Is this guy else yours?
The blue one?
Yeah.
Oh, well, they're mine, yeah. I got more stuff up to this remote.
Hey, here it comes, Caesar.
Go ahead. Oh yeah. Woohoo! Niagara Falls. You're good, Jay. Oh yeah, coming full force, man. Coming up clean now. Yeah, oh my God, what is this? Beauty. Set it down, I'll put the front one. All right. Okay, go ahead. Yeah, here it comes. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna put it on thing.
I know.
Every time I come here to say lunch, it's that line. They never take it. Where's that food?
I know it's snake now.
Now we take it out. Now we take it. Put it away, give it away. All the coat. Who's that? The fuck's he want, man?
Here.
All right, guys, there you go. This has been Jay That Drain Guy signing out. Until next time, Trogna.